This is Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to get more clients on LinkedIn. Tip number 1, ask potential customers many questions. A lot of times I see someone is reaching out on LinkedIn and they might just include their sales pitch right there in their message. They don't even know who the person is. They don't know any of their background. They don't know the current challenges in their company. They just try to, here is my pitch, take it or leave it. And a lot of times this approach fails horribly. When someone is sending you a connection request, people are on guard. They're expecting that someone is sending them a sales pitch. So whatever you say, no matter how good your offer is, people have their firewall up. And whatever you say, they will be defensive. So when you're sending your pitch right at the beginning, they will just start scanning over it and I will notice, oh, that's a pitch. And then they're already shutting down and ears shut and okay, spam, and push it aside. So the way to get around this is that you have to start a conversation first and you have to really try to understand the person's situation. And the best way to achieve this is by asking questions about their situation. And you can start with small talk, find some detail on their profile that could be an entry point, how you can start a conversation. Maybe you notice, hey, you're working for this company. You might asking something about their role that they're doing right there. Or they might have posted something on their profile and you can make a comment about that. And you just need something small and easy where it's a good chance, high probability that the person will reply to that. And you're using that as an entry point to ask more follow-up questions. And the more questions you ask, you don't sell anything. But the more questions you ask, the more information you're gathering. And the more information you have to actually have an entry point, how you can actually start communicating your pitch. You really have to tailor it based on the information that you get from the other person on LinkedIn. Really spend the time to learn more about the person, learn more about the company, the current situation, and then tailor your offer to one of those specific details that they have told you. This way you're going to get way better results and the probability that you're actually going to be able to jump on a sales call or to set up a meeting is that much higher. My second tip is, in terms of relationship building on LinkedIn, you have to play the long game. Even if you found a person who would make the perfect client, the situation and the timing might not be right. They might not currently have that problem that you are able to solve. So what you want to do is you want to build the relationship over time so they understand that you are someone who can resolve a specific challenge and that they keep remembering your name and associating it with you the problem solver for this specific challenge. And great way to do this is by just being a genuinely nice person who really cares about the other person. What can you do? Every time someone in your network who would fall into this category publishes something, for example, every time something significant happens in this person's life, send them a message, write a comment. The person has it's their birthday, send them some birthday wishes or write a comment underneath their post if they created a birthday post. Or they just got promoted, send them congratulations message. Their company had a big success, congratulate them. Make sure that you are always keeping track of what's going on in their life. Even if you're not selling, it's a really great way to build relationships. They might know you are up to something, maybe that's part of your sales strategy, but on a psychological level, it still works. And people will feel more connected to you if you paying attention to all of those small little events in their life. And that makes it way more likely that when you are publishing content, that they will return the favor or that they're actually at least reading or watching your video. And so learning about all the different solutions that you can provide to them. This is really powerful, especially if you're doing content marketing on LinkedIn and can help you attract a ton of clients. If you want to learn more about how to actually build a LinkedIn content marketing strategy, you can also check out my LinkedIn Leads Bootcamp. It's a 21-day program, and it teaches you exactly how to create a completely new content strategy for any business from scratch. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. You can also download my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, which shows you exactly how to find the right hashtags to boost your organic reach on LinkedIn. If you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, make sure that you smash like, hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.